Yesterday was amazing, with a lot of exciting announcements such as Databricks 3 Edition, Agentbricks, MLflow 3.0, and a lot of exciting features. And we are here at the Moscone Center for the last conference. You're gonna hear a lot of exciting news. Stay tuned. This year, the Data AI Summit was amazing, with more than 22,000 people on site and 65,000 people watching this event virtually.
All right. Thank
you all.
I hope you enjoyed your summit and see you next year.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, I am with Miranda. She's one of the PMs behind the AI/BI experience. One sentence.
Absolutely. AI/BI, we're opening it up to everybody. Databricks 1, ideal for your business users. None of the junk on the left side. It's for everybody who doesn't like live and breathe code. Genie deep research, ask and answer open-ended questions. The world's your oyster. Doors are open.
That's it.